In this session, we're going to be making this yarn turtle. Now, in order to make this turtle, we're going to need some yarn, 3 sticks, a marker, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. I'm going to start by making an X with 2 of the sticks. While that is drying, I'm going to draw a little face with my marker, 2 eyes, and the mouth. And then I'm just going to put 2 lines to represent feet and the rest of the sticks. This is actually a tail, so. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to stick our head onto the X, apply some glue to the back of the X, and I do like to let the head stick out just a little bit. Okay, as you can see, I've made this slightly longer than the back. Now that our sticks have dried together like so, we're going to start applying our yarn. And remember, our sticks and yarn are available in our handy dandy craft box. I'm going to start with glue. I'm going to start attaching, this is the tail, the head. I'm going to attach a piece of yarn onto the tail. Now I'm going to tie this like so. I'm going to put the short piece over the long piece through that loop and pull. Okay. I'm going to do that again so you can see. Short piece over the long piece through the loop and pull. And that's going to give me a knot. Now I'm going to leave this piece until I come back around. I'm going to tie it off again and then trim it. So I'm going to leave this piece. I'm not going to cut it yet. So now I have a piece of yarn tied onto that back. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the sticks. I'm going to go 2 over 1 under. Okay, 2 over 1 under. It's important to keep the pattern because you will see when we continue to add. So now that I've reached back to the yarn I started with, I'm going to clip and I'm going to tie these 2 pieces again in a knot. So remember, over, through, and pull, over, through, and pull. And now I can cut that knot off like so. Okay, so that is the beginning of our turtle pattern. I'm going to use white next. Use some white yarn. You can use whatever colors you want. I'm going to start in the same place. So I'm going to tie this white yarn on that same stick that I started with. And here we have our final cut and tie pull. And let's see what we have created. Well, we have created a little friend for our turtle. I hope you have lots of fun making this craft. Remember, you can check us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and of course you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.